Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English Boost Motivation Learning channel. Today, we will practice English pronunciation for beginners. Good pronunciation helps people understand you. You do not need fast English. You need clear English. Please listen carefully. Repeat slowly. Let us begin. Part 1. English alphabet sounds. First, let us practice alphabet sounds. Listen and repeat slowly. A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, A. Now again. A, B, B, C, K. Good. Alphabet sounds build strong pronunciation.
Part 2. Vowel sounds practice. Now, vowel sounds. Listen carefully. A, cat. E, bed. I, sit. O, hot. U, cup. Repeat slowly. Cat, bed, sit, hot, cup. Vowels are very important. Part 3. Long versus short vowel sounds. Listen carefully. Short sound, ship. Long sound, sheep. Short, bit. Long, beat. Short, full. Long, fool. Repeat slowly. This difference changes meaning. Part 4. Common difficult sounds. Now, some difficult sounds. Th sound. Think. Thank. This. That. Put your tongue between your teeth. Repeat slowly. R and L sound. Right. Light. Road. Load. Rice. Lice. Practice carefully.
Part 5. Word stress practice. Listen carefully. Present, noun. Present, verb. Important. Beautiful. Education. Stress is important for clear speaking. Repeat slowly. Part 6. Sentence pronunciation practice. Now, full sentences. Listen and repeat. I am learning English. I want to speak clearly. Pronunciation is important. I practice every day. Slow and clear. Part 7. Shadow speaking practice. Now, listen and speak together. Do not pause. I am confident. I can speak English clearly. I improve every day. This is called shadow practice.
Motivation. Remember this. Good pronunciation comes with practice. Do not feel shy. Do not feel afraid. Every clear speaker was once a beginner. Ending. Thank you for practicing. This was English pronunciation practice for beginners. Like this video, share with learners, subscribe for daily practice. See you in the next lesson. Keep practicing English.